multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. This video is about installing steering wheel cover stitchable, and I'll put link description down below where you can get them in a great deal. I bought one from AliExpress. They come with a variety of different colors, and they all standard size, so they should fit on any type of steering wheel. And there are some important tips and tricks I would like to share with you guys, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you. And I did also a few mistakes, so when you watch this video you will know what mistakes I did, and hopefully you're not going to do the same mistakes. So the first of all, this comes with enough thread to do the entire steering wheel cover. But if you do mistakes I did in this video, you will run out and you won't have enough to do everything all around. It's very straightforward actually. It's just you need to be patient a little bit, and you just need to be doing it for like maybe 60 minutes or so. I did it with about 2 hours because it's my first time, and I kind of run out on thread, so I have to get a similar thread to make it done right. So the first thing is when you put it on your steering wheel, it's stretchable, so make sure it fits, and start from the bottom first, and even the end of the steering wheel cover, make sure it's on the bottom too, not to leave it on the top as I did in this video. I forgot and it was too late to make correction. Here is some pictures also, you can see how to start with. Second important thing is make sure not too tight when you start the first time. The beginning stitches, make sure it's not too tight, otherwise it will make kind of a small rip or cut on the cover. The cover actually it's very durable, and you can extend it a little bit. Stitch it's really nice, and also like they have different colors. I decided to get the black one. The threads also comes with different type of colors too, so you can choose whatever you like. So this the car I'm doing here, it's a SUV Highlander Toyota 2009. When you thread the needle first, leave about 6 inch long to the end, and so when you start, it's better to start from the bottom. I started here from the top. That's the mistake I did the first time. And always like not as I started here from the side a little bit, but it's better to start from the bottom and goes all the way around. And also very important tip actually, when you start the first stitch, not to tie it too hard, leave it loose a little bit. You can do the tightment all around the stitches you did after, little by little. And all the holes, if you follow the holes already comes with the factory, basically you won't do any type of like missing one or any misstep or something. so it's easy. Just follow the same holes like already there, and it's so simple. And this is the more important thing when you reach to the any kind of for the steering wheel, those like the side transitions. So I did few like all over again and again, and that's I run out of the thread after. So just do the closest hole possible to the hand holder for the steering wheel and stop. Then you basically you can either tie it down, cut the rope and everything, and start from the first hole to the transition of the steering wheel again, or you can continue by just lowering the thread down and then keep continue on. So the video basically, as I said, like hour and a half or so, and I just didn't continue to recording. I ran out of the, but I was gonna do video like time lapse, so you know what's done around, but it took a long time for me to do it actually, and just to show you the whatever I did here, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you guys. And also check out the link description below for more details. Thank you for watching, all the best, and see you next video.